Can texture powder by itself rescue second day hair / bed head? Let's find out. This is second day hair, aka bed head. I woke up this morning and just basically got dressed and came on in. I didn't take a shower or wet my hair or anything. I like to actually just put the nozzle right into my hair so it gets on the roots, which is going to help us get some of that nice little lift and texture that makes your flat, boring hair kind of come to life. So kind of looks like this on application. And you just put it where you want it, pretty much. All sides, the front, the back, the middle. If you want in the front, you can kind of do a little puff like that. And then to style it, I literally just scrunch it up like this to really work the powder in and to reset my hair. If you notice, I'm probably going to do a lot of this, which looks like I'm scratching my head. I basically am. It's helping to essentially work the product in and reset the hair without any water or anything. My favorite thing about this product and this style is you really don't need to do a lot. It's very low maintenance, and if you don't want to spend a lot of time getting ready in the morning, because honestly, who does? The powder is just great for that. Another little technique, I guess you could call it, some people like to do is kind of pull little strands of hair and twist them. I'll be honest, for me, that's not my favorite way to do it. I don't know why. I mean, I'm trying to do it right now, an example in the video, but a lot of people like to do that. Even the barbers that cut my hair do that. I'm more of a scruncher person, but whatever works for you. We all have different types of hair and different looks that we want to go for. So I would recommend experimenting if you're not really sure what to do or how to get the look you want. And one thing that I love about texture powder is it's turning my bed head / second day hair into more of an intentionally messy, textured looking hairstyle, and not so much like, yeah, I just got out of bed and got dressed and didn't really worry about anything else. You know, it kind of has that messy on purpose look that's a little bit cleaner looking than actual bed head. If you feel like your hair looks kind of flat and boring and you're like, yeah, it kind of looks like a helmet, adding in powder is a really good way just to mess it up and give yourself some volume. As you can see, a lot of these spots in my hair that were kind of sticking up randomly, those are not really there as much anymore, and it's all kind of just flowing in the same direction. Probably gonna call this done for now. Me personally, I think it looks fine. I would have no problems leaving the house like this, even if I was supposed to look mostly presentable, but you be the judge. All right, so there you have it. Texture powder versus second day hair complete. I would say it was a success. I think the texture powder beat the bed head, so that's what we were looking for. If you have any questions about the product or the style or anything else, just feel free to leave them below. And if this video actually helped you, we would really appreciate a like and a subscribe, of course. How could I not ask you to do that? Thanks for watching.